In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint in Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just looking to enhance your presentation skills, sharing your PowerPoint during a meeting can be a game changer. So let's break it down step by step. First, you'll want to start by launching Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, open the application on your computer or access it through a web browser. Once you're in, you can join an existing meeting or schedule a new one. If you're joining a meeting that's already in progress, just click on the meeting link you received and you'll be in the virtual space in no time. For those of you creating a new meeting, simply head to the calendar within Teams and click on the New Meeting button. Fill in all the necessary details, including the title, attendees, date and time, then send the invite out. Once you're in the meeting, the real fun begins. Look down at the bottom of your screen for the toolbar. You'll see an option that looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing upward, typically labeled as Share. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. Now, you will see a few options on your screen. Share your desktop, a specific window, or a PowerPoint file. Since we're focusing on presenting your PowerPoint, go ahead and click on Browse, which usually allows you to find your PowerPoint file in your folders. Locate your presentation and select it. Once your PowerPoint is selected, it'll appear in the meeting window. At this point, you might want to ensure that your slides are displayed in full screen. You can do this by clicking on the Present button or selecting Slideshow from the presentation menu. This gives your audience the best view of your slides. As you present, don't forget to fully engage with your audience. Pause for questions, encourage discussion, and keep an eye on the chat. Teams is designed for collaboration, so make the most of those features. If you want to share audio from your presentation, make sure to toggle on the Include System Audio option before you begin sharing. If you need to navigate through the slides, you can simply use the arrow keys on your keyboard or click on the arrows in the presentation viewer to move forward and backward through your slides. Another handy feature is the ability to use a laser pointer or draw on your slides if you need to emphasize something during your presentation. You'll find these options in the toolbar at the top of the presentation screen, making it super easy to highlight key points. Also, throughout your presentation, if someone in the audience poses a question or sends a message through chat, you can address it in real time, fostering an interactive session. After you're finished, simply hit Stop Sharing to exit the presentation mode. And there you have it. You've just successfully presented a PowerPoint in Teams. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these tools, and soon your virtual presentations will be second nature. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.